Good morning, my dear students. Today we will consider the second chapter of class 7, that is nutrition in animals. And here in this chapter we will learn following things like steps in animal nutrition, what are the various steps of nutrition in animals. Then we will study the specific animals and their nutrition like amoeba, then humans, and then in grass eating animals. My dear children, as in chapter 1, we have learned about the nutrition in plants and also learned the animals which are heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition, who cannot prepare their own food. They eat either plants or other animals, but plants are autotrophic, and they prepare their own food. Do you remember the food items which we get from plants and animals? Like from plants we get rice, dal, bread, fruit, vegetables, and some other things. But what about the food items which we get from animals like milk, curd, cheese, eggs, and meat? These comes from animals. Okay, so like this, if we are obtaining food from other animals and plants, and if we are using it for the growth and repairment and the functioning, and you can say for getting energy, then this complete process is called nutrition. Again, I am going to tell you what is nutrition. Nutrition is the process of taking in food from other sources like plants or animals. We take in that food material and just we use it, or our body utilize that food for energy, for growth, for repair and proper functioning of the body. So the very first topic which we have to study in this steps, the very first topic is steps in animal nutrition. You know, in nutrition involves in the nutrition in animals involves 5 basic steps. Please, you can revise it with me, or you can please remember it for ever. What are the 5 steps involved in nutrition is, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. These are the 5 steps which are involved in the nutrition, complete process of nutrition in animals. One by one we will discuss all these 5 steps, or we can understand what these 5 steps are for. First step is ingestion. The ingestion, you know, it is in involve in can indicate the taking in something. You know, the process by which food is taken inside the body of an organism is called ingestion. Let us consider this chart, my dear students. In this chart, you will be able to see the different steps which are involved in the nutrition, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. You know, again, I am going to revise. Ingestion is simply the intaking of the food material or the food substances inside the body. This process is called ingestion. And what about the digestion? Digestion is the food taken. It is in always in solid form or some liquid, or it is also complex. The process of converting or breaking down complex food into simple and soluble, you can say into simple and soluble forms, is called digestion. Most animals both use both processes like physical and chemical methods for complete digestion or converting that complex food into simpler soluble form. So this is the process of digestion. Now we will discuss the absorption. Absorption, it is the process by which the digested nutrients are taken into different parts of the body by the circulatory system through blood. With the help of blood, you can say, the cells in the body then absorb these digested food molecules and they utilize it. This now the fourth process comes, that is assimilation. Assimilation is simply the process of using that absorbed food molecules for producing energy and growth. Simply using that digested food for the growth, for the energy, for the repairment, and for the you can say for the proper functioning of the body is called assimilation. And the last process, that is egestion. Egestion involves the process of removing undigested food material from the body. This process is called egestion. In this process, we remove, or the human or the animal remove, the undigested food from the body. This process is called egestion. So here are the 5 steps which are involved in the nutrition. And now we will study the nutrition in a particular human being, how it happens, how it takes place. One by one we will study the various steps and the use of various organs in complete nutrition. My dear students, as we have studied the 5 steps of nutrition, let us discuss the very first step, that is the process of ingestion. You know, different organisms use different method to get food. They have, or you can say there are some special structures in each organism for taking food inside the body. In this diagram we can say there is one unicellular organism, that is amoeba, which is using its pseudopodium for taking food inside. Then again one spider web is there. One by one we will discuss some of the example of animals which use various type of process for, or you can say various type of organs for taking food inside. You know, in amoeba, false food, you can say pseudopodium, is used to engulf the food particle. Then in a spider weaves, spider always waves a web to catch the prey. And what happens with the butterfly? Butterfly uses its feeding tube to suck nectar from the flowers. You know how we suck the juices with the help of a straw. In the same way, butterfly use their feeding tube for sucking the juice from the flowers. And then the mosquito feed on the blood of animals and obtain it from there with the use of feeding tube only. And then again we can see one more example, that is a frog always uses its tongue to catch its food. A starfish, we can take the example of starfish also. Starfish gets its food in an amazing method. It feeds on small animals like snails, fish and worms. The tube feed present in the body of a starfish capture the food. Now the starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth and wraps the stomach around the captured animal. The stomach is then withdrawn into the body where the food is digested. And now one more example I'll take of snakes. Snakes like the python swallow the animals completely, and then they take it out again, and then they slowly eat it. And most popular animal, that is human being, we use our hands to put food in our mouth. So these are the various steps or various organs which helps in taking food inside. That is the process of ingestion. Now we will discuss the process of digestion.